1933 Rolls-Royce 20 to 25 Saloon by Hooper. Price: $27,500. Location: Alaska, USA. The 1933 Rolls-Royce 20 to 25 Saloon by Hooper is far more than just another vintage automobile. It is a surviving masterpiece from the golden age of British luxury, representing an era when every prestigious automobile was carefully handcrafted by some of the world's finest coach builders, fresh out of long-term storage in sunny California and now offered in Alaska. This rare right-hand drive Rolls-Royce presents an incredible opportunity for collectors, investors, and restoration enthusiasts alike. Even after decades, its elegant presence still commands respect wherever it goes. The moment you look at this magnificent automobile, you immediately notice the unmistakable craftsmanship of Hooper and Company, one of Britain's most celebrated coach builders. Holding a royal warrant for nearly a century, Hooper created custom automobiles for the British royal family and distinguished heads of state around the world. Every graceful curve, every handcrafted panel, and every elegant detail reflects an era when automobiles were considered rolling works of art, rather than mass-produced machines. This is not simply transportation, it is automotive history preserved in steel and wood. The heart of this classic Rolls-Royce is its legendary inline six-cylinder engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, built for smoothness rather than outright speed. The 20 to 25 was famous for its effortless driving experience and exceptional engineering quality. Features such as drum brakes, Lucas headlamps, Smith's instrumentation, beautiful wood interior trim, rear-hinged coach doors, adjustable individual front seats, and the elegant 4-spoke steering wheel all remain true to the character that made Rolls-Royce the ultimate symbol of prestige during the early 1930s, riding on stunning 19-inch wire wheels fitted with Excelsior racing tires. This automobile captures the timeless elegance of pre-war motoring. The interior tells an equally fascinating story. Rich wood trim surrounds the cabin, while every gauge and switch remind you of a time when luxury was measured by craftsmanship instead of technology. Sitting behind the right-hand drive steering wheel instantly transports you back to an era when chauffeurs guided aristocrats, royalty, and business leaders through the streets of London in complete comfort. Every detail invites admiration, making this classic an unforgettable experience for anyone passionate about vintage automobiles. The fact that this Rolls-Royce has recently emerged from long-term California storage makes it especially exciting. While it is offered as a restoration project, that is exactly what many serious collectors are searching for.